Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing two high flyers. The DroneEye F10 foldable drone, aka the F10 on the left, and the IDEA brushless motor drone, aka the IDEA31P on the right. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's kick things off with the price. F10 comes in at a sweet $79, while IDEA31P is a bit pricier at $89. That's like, what, a couple of extra lattes? But hey, who needs caffeine when you've got drones, right? Now, let's talk cameras. The F10 sports a 1080p HD camera. Pretty decent, right? But IDEA31P swoops in with a 4K camera and a Sony sensor. I mean, if you're looking to capture every single pore on your neighbor's face from the sky, IDEA31Ps got you covered. Just don't get too creepy, okay? Reviewers have noted that the F10's camera quality is somewhat lacking, while the IDEA31P's camera is praised for its excellent resolution. Next up, flight features. The F10 can do some cool stunts like 360 degrees flips and high-speed rotations. It's like the drone equivalent of your drunk uncle at a wedding. Fun to watch, but maybe not the most reliable. On the other hand, IDEA31P has obstacle avoidance and can handle high altitudes and winds like a champ. It's like the drone version of a Navy SEAL. No offense, Uncle Bob. Reviewers have mentioned that the F10's flight features are fun but sometimes unreliable, whereas the IDEA31P is praised for its stability and advanced features. Let's move on to control and ease of use. Both drones are beginner-friendly. F10 has one key start, landing, and altitude hold, which is great if you're just starting out and don't want to crash land into your mom's rose garden. IDEA31P, though, offers gesture control and optical flow positioning. Basically, you can control it with the flick of your wrist like a drone-wielding Jedi. May the Force be with you. Reviewers have pointed out that the F10 is easy to operate, but sometimes has syncing issues, while the IDEA31P is noted for its intuitive controls and ease of use. And now, for those tech nerds out there, let's talk battery life. The F10 doesn't specify its flight time, so let's just say it's a surprise every time you fly. IDEA31P, however, boasts up to 20 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. That's like 2 episodes of your favorite sitcom, just enough time to impress your friends before it's back to the charger. According to reviewers, the F10's battery life can be unpredictable, while the IDEA31P is appreciated for its consistent and longer flight times. Lastly, let's not forget the extra features. F10 has some snazzy app controls like voice control and VR support. It's basically like flying with your smartphone. IDEA31P, on the other hand, comes with a carrying case and foldable design, making it perfect for those spontaneous drone adventures. Plus, it's been backed by a solid team since 2016. Trust is key, folks. Reviewers appreciate the F10's app features, but have noted some technical issues, while the IDEA31P is praised for its practical design and reliability. In summary, the DroneEye F10 foldable drone is seen as a fun and affordable option with some cool features, but has mixed reviews regarding its camera quality and reliability. The IDEA brushless motor drone, meanwhile, is praised for its superior camera, advanced flight features, and overall reliability, although it is slightly more expensive. So there you have it, folks. The F10 is your fun, budget-friendly option with some cool tricks up its sleeve, while the IDEA31P is your high-tech, reliable buddy for serious drone enthusiasts. Which one's your pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.